Are you envisioning owning a luxurious residence in the stunning landscapes of Costa Rica? Look no further than Casa MK, an exquisite 5-bedroom property nestled in the sought-after Uvita. This remarkable property boasts a generous lot size of 3,200 square meters, featuring a newly constructed, magnificent 4,815 square foot home that seamlessly blends indoor and outdoor living. Let's delve into the myriad offerings of Casa MK. The entrance, adorned with a Carey hardwood door and European Plex sliding doors, seamlessly connects the indoor and outdoor spaces, complemented by an indoor kitchen area adorned with an island, bespoke cabinetry crafted from laurelwood. Discover 5 bedrooms and 5.5 bathrooms. Each room is thoughtfully equipped with air conditioning and ceiling fans to ensure unparalleled comfort. And vaulted teak ceilings with hardwood floors adorning the entirety of the residence. Casa MK enjoys a prime location in desirable Uvita, offering tranquility and serenity while remaining in close proximity to essential amenities such as restaurants, shops, banks, schools, and hospitals. With its blend of convenience and luxury, this remarkable estate offers awe-inspiring vistas of the ocean. Relish in the expansive outdoor living and dining area, complete with an 8-person dining table crafted from Guanacaste hardwood. Additional features include a separate housekeeper entrance, ample 4+ car parking space, an infinity pool, a sleek bar area, and a modern gas fire pit on the terrace. This property presents an unparalleled opportunity for discerning individuals seeking an upscale residence in Costa Rica. If you're in pursuit of your dream home in Costa Rica, Casa MK is your ultimate destination. With its captivating ocean views, luxurious interior elements, including teak high ceilings and hardwood floors, and custom laurelwood cabinetry, Casa MK epitomizes luxury living. Its strategic location, mere minutes from central Uvita, adds further appeal to potential buyers or investors seeking their slice of paradise in Costa Rica. Don't let this extraordinary opportunity slip away. Reach out to us today to discover more about this extraordinary piece of paradise.